tell me how I look. Be honest with me. I look good. I look fly. So you guys wondering why the hell did I come on camera like this? So this is what I'm using today on my hair and my face. The Health and Beauty Aztec Secret, the Indian Healing Clay is what I'm using on my hair and face today. I'm going to make some lunch for my family, and then once I wash this out, I'm actually getting my hair done. I purchased some hair from Amazon, so I'm going to do like a mini review in this video on it, and you guys will see me get the Amazon hair put in and see how it looks, see if it's worth purchasing hair from Amazon. Now, I wouldn't purchase all my hair from Amazon. Not saying there's anything wrong, but just because I like going to the hair store and actually seeing, and I believe also a lot of times the stores themselves have a better deal than Amazon. So but I'm preparing for vacation. I am going to an island. Previous video, I told you guys I was going on the West Coast. Things had changed from then, so I'm going to a better place than where I was going. So I'm gonna have some fire footage for you guys. But yeah, so this clay mask is starting to harden. You guys can see it's starting to harden. Not so much on my hair yet, but on my face it is. So I'm gonna wash some dishes and I'm gonna cook up some lunch. I don't know what we're gonna eat yet, but I'll figure out something. Yeah. All right, guys, here's the finished product. It's not the finished product. So I semi-blow dried my hair and just did like little twists. I'm about to get my hair done literally right now. So I'm about to get my hair done. So this is how the packs came for the Amazon hair. It came in like little packs. This packs is 6. We opened, actually no. So here's 5 packs, and then this is the 6th pack. We opened it to see like the hair texture and if it will be enough hair. I think I'm probably put like the screenshot on the screen of the hair, like where I purchased it from on Amazon. But this is how it like looks. It's a nice texture. And these are spring twists, by the way, and it's really like looks springy. Really nice color. This color is called wine, so it's like a mix, like a blue purple, like a velvet and red. And this is how they come, and hopefully they're enough because it's a pack of 6 and I needed 6 packs. Typically I will go to the hair store, but went on Amazon, and this is how they look. They're all secure. I think it says it's 120 strands in total. So we're gonna put it in my head and try it out, but it feels like real nice. Like it doesn't feel like cheapy hair or something like that. And all 6 were $30, I believe. A little, probably like $30.99 or something like that. So yeah, that's how they are. There's spring twists and hooks. So I'm gonna pull it, and it's springy, and it keeps its shape if you decide to crochet it in and leave it like this. But I'm not getting crochet, getting butterfly locks. So of course you gotta all kind of mess up the hair a little bit, rough it up.
I can do this.
So y'all know I'm supposed to be getting my hair done, but my hairstylist is playing with my nail lady / my sister nails, because my sister makes press-on nails, which are beautiful, which I'm gonna be getting done. And this is, oh, look at those. These are fire. Look at those. So I need y'all to let me know if she should be selling these like she should be, but she's not. But these are fire.
Say, come on, man. Say, come on, man.
It didn't actually work.
Oh. This one's fully done. I see, Hudson. See, the longer you work with those, the easier it gets.
It's so deep. It's so deep. It's so deep. It's so deep.
It's about, I want to say 3 days later since I've had the Amazon hair installed, and I would say so far it's holding up. So I purchased spring twists from Amazon. It was a pack of 6 for about $30, and I used the spring twist to do, well, not me but my stylist, to do butterfly locks in my head. And I love the color. The color is like a bluish red, and the blue red kind of looks like a velvet purple color, but they call it wine. But I don't know. I think they should call it another color because it's not majority red. But I love this color. I love the hair. The hair didn't give us any problems installing it. It was actually really good installing it. It wasn't like tangled or really like shedding. And also, like I said, it's a pack of 6, and I only use 5 packs, and I have this one extra pack for just refreshing some of them if I need to. But yeah, I love the way it looks. So it's not heavy, but it's not light. So it's like mid to where it's not uncomfortable for me to wear. So far the hair is holding up. I can put it up in a ponytail if I like, wear it down the middle, wear it, you know, to one side. And like I said, I have this extra pack, and the hair quality itself, the hair is springy. So it really is the definition of spring twist, because it's, you know, see, it's all springy, and you guys can see like the color there. It's a beautiful color. I love this color. I've never had this color in my hair before. I've worn red, but I've never worn like a bluish purple in my hair. And I didn't really, I was really risking this with these colors, like I said, because I've never done it, but it came out beautiful. It came out better than I imagined. Like, I look like a unicorn. I feel like a unicorn. Like, I love these freaking colors. I would say A+ to the seller of this hair. The hair, I ordered it last Wednesday night, and it arrived to my home Friday, before, like, well before the end of the day. Well before, I think it got delivered around 2 o'clock. The seller also included, which I should have here, but I don't, but they included a crochet needle, some hair accessories, which I'm going to put in my hair tomorrow. I didn't want to put it in too early, just in case like they fell out or something. I didn't want to lose them. I'm going on my trip, so I'm going to be snorkeling and just being at the beach my whole trip. So I'm going to see how this hair holds up, you know, and give you guys kind of like a review from there. But so far I would say A+ to the seller, A+ to Amazon for the delivery, and it looks like I might be purchasing hair from Amazon again. So just want to do a quick review. If you guys want to purchase this hair, I recommend you do so, and I hope you guys have the same great experience that I've had with the hair so far. So until the next video, peace.